Once a 3D Revolve object is created, you can edit it by accessing the 3D Revolve link that is contained within the Appearance panel. This opens the Revolve Options dialog box again. Turning on Preview will slow down the redraw rate, but it will let you see in real time the changes that you make within the dialog box. We'll also take a closer look at the different surface shading options that are available. Wireframe will display all of the vectors used to create the object. The No Shading option displays the object using straight flat shading with no lighting effects. But the diffuse shading and plastic shading do have lighting effects. You can control the lights that are applied to this object by dragging them around using this control here. To create a new light, click on the New Light button. Multiple light sources will increase the time it takes to redraw the 3D object. You can also use this button here to move the selected light to the back of the object. This is good for creating rim lighting in some effects. You can also control the light intensity and the amount of ambient light that's in the scene using these controls. There is also a shading color that you can specify. If shading is set to none, then the ambient light controls the highlighting of the object. You can also select the custom option to enable a color that you can change. The plastic shading option includes many of the same features as diffuse shading, but it includes controls to specify the intensity of the highlights and the highlight size. By adding in lighting effects to the shading of the object, you can get a much more realistic look.